are idiots. If I call your name, you say present ma. Say present ma. You get one rat where they France where they call I been a candy something, now they call the girl. The name na candy something. Candy waiting. That rat where they France. They don't carry your matter, can't give me. Report yourself. And not you know rich, you know not be today, today not be your topic. If I call your name right now, you report yourself on this live video. Because if Eddy Murphy know they jobless, and now they don't go see mass, they proud say they jobless. Now Eddy Murphy they teach you no get out so they don't jobless. So report yourself to this live video. I'm not seeing your report. I say you. If I say you say present ma, you reply me say present ma. I'm you na here. If not be Europe, we don't spoil of now. I'm you na here. Now they call me Martin. When I don't do Martin, I never born now. All these small men when they shame me when no agree work so. They don't call me, they call they commit nuisance. Just imagine. Who does that? Who does that? Yes, real free mother. You know what, B? Who does that? Eddy Murphy, report yourself here. Report yourself. Shut up your mouth. They give you mine, kill you. Fuck, bell. Get out.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Perry Gold and Enogie and Eddy Murphy. Not be smart to you. Perry Gold just called the fallout for Eddy Murphy like say tomorrow not day. Even small pikin go see the insult grown up person. Now wow for this social media. Now wow. Anyway, she say why she dey vex for Eddy Murphy be say na Eddy Murphy be the first person wey fit carry im name come out for this social media, of which me I no even know. I no dey there. I no know say na so e the thing dey really happen. So when things come dey happen, now they come dey talk and I come tell know say he said na Eddy Murphy be the first person wey fit ever bring im name come out for the social media, and then the thing come structuralize me, my darling people. So he really talk to Eddy Murphy. Because me even surprised say Eddy Murphy even go talk for the matter. I be think say Eddy Murphy be not want even talk before. He be you keep quiet. He be good though, because he say no want do saga again. As they come, they call his name now. They still call even the verse now like seriously. Hey pa, supposedly you know if you not talk for this matter at all, because they'll come begin they insult you again now. So my people, might pull the video where Perry Gold they talk to Enogie and the pa. Mona listen, my darling people. Mona listen to this video. When I go still leave on a comment for the comment section. Bye.
If I call your name, you report yourself to this live video before I will come and drag you out of your house. I call your name, you report yourself. Eddy Murphy, the head of Central in Europe, the head of jobless people. Eddy Murphy, jobless man. Report yourself to this live video before I will come to Germany and drag you to this live video. Report yourself and say present man. Eddy Murphy, report yourself and say present man. Wow, Any bad comments they block her. You hear me so?